Welcome back, everyone. I'm Gabriel, you're watching Drum Tip Tuesday, and today in our 40 Rudiments in 40 Days series, we're going to work on the 6-stroke roll. That sounds like this. That's what it is. I'll slow it down a little bit so you can hear exactly what's going on there, just in case you've never heard that before. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you have the accents, consecutive accents, one preceding the downbeat, one on the downbeat, and you have the doubles in between. All right, so one way to work on it, slow it down, know what it is. Next way to work on it, quality. Make sure that the accents and the doubles aren't getting in the way of one another. Practice the thing without the doubles so you can hear the hand bass. Say it's a 16th note hand bass, work on just the accents. Fill it in. Don't forget to do it off the left. Don't forget to do it with the met. 1, 2, 3, 4. For more tips on how to apply your rudiments, how to develop your rudiments, check out one of these videos.